Hey guys, today I have another episode for you guys and where I show you a very cool trick in under a minute. Today we're talking about always on displays on the iPhone 10. Now this is not going to waste your battery because the OLED display manages to turn off all the pixels except the ones that are being used, so it's okay to use. Now all you have to do is go into the App Store and download this application, OLED X or OLED X, and not a sponsor, just an application that I think does a really good job at this. So go to General, then go to Accessibilities, scroll all the way down, and then go to guided access, enable it, then enter a passcode to create a guided access passcode. Mine's going to be all zeros just for the purpose of the video, and then enable Face ID. So when you double press the side button, you can unlock guided access with Face ID. Make sure you enabled accessibility shortcuts, very important to make sure that's enabled. So now open the always on display, go to the settings here, and go ahead and adjust it to whatever you wish. You can personalize it, add notes, the time, the weather, and everything. Now triple click the side button, and now you have your device locked. It's going to ask you for the passcode the first time you enable guided access, so just enter that passcode, and then you can just double tap, and it will unlock your device with Face ID, just like that. So pretty cool way to get the always on display on the iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this 1-minute tutorial, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.